So today we are going to be showing off me and Gunnerworks' first ever airsoft video. Yeah, a lot of these clips are going to be outdated, cringy, the memes are old, like, bro, this is old. This was before the Velocity Airsoft channel was ever born, ever even thought of. So if you're a returning video, this is a fun video to watch, to see how I used to be. If you click this video not knowing who I am, yeah, bro, please go check out my other videos. I promise, I'm not cringy like this anymore. I do not make videos like this anymore, so please go check out my other videos. Subscribe to see more, and comment what I should do in the future, what other videos you guys like to see. So, enough talking. Enjoy this video.
Yeah, with.
Yeah. Round one.
What are you pointing at? That's rude. I'm not pointing at him. I'm pointing at his thing. I'm not pointing at his leader either. Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What should the plan be?
I think you want to go left?
Wait, this way or this way? I don't know.
You want to go that way?
Should we just follow those guys? Those guys look good. Oh, never mind.
Robert's in the open. He should not be down.
Let's go this way. Hold up, wait.
What the Sigma?
Alright, I'm gonna move out.
Yeah, I'll be careful on your right, dude. I'm gonna take some shots up through that window.
What's up, YouTube? We're playing Wildlands again because I record every game. I don't care. This time we switched weapons. That's my MVP. This is his AR. They're ready in the MCW. Bro, look, I got a gun charm. Yes, sir. Oh, that thing's nice. Yeah, it's like 80 degrees out right now, bro. We're just standing here, freaking burning hot. Buildings in front of us, there's like two. I'm gonna cover you, you're gonna fire. Go, 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 go.
Coming straight through the middle.
Yeah, in the middle, through the middle.
Okay, right there.
You're gonna cover? You're gonna cover, I'm gonna go middle, okay? Building right there on the left. On the middle. Hit. Yo, we gotta go through this building.
Yeah.
Or else we're gonna get lit up. How's that drum mag doing you?
Good.
Yep. Watch middle, I'm gonna move.
Ready? Go.
Yo, Wyatt! Right side, right side! Right side on the corner of the building! Red building middle! Alright, ready? You want to push middle?
Yeah, there's one over there.
Alright, ready?